Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 8 of the course Cloud Computing. So this week consists of in total of 10 number of questions, and we will start it from the question number 1. Question number 1 is an IoT platforms. Basic building blocks is or are gateway, images, network and cloud containers. So the appropriate answer will be option number A and C, that is gateway and network and cloud. Okay, for question number 1, option A and C will be the correct answer. Moving to the next one, question number 2 is dash is used to delete a local image. We have to fill the appropriate one here. So options are Docker RM, Docker RMI, Docker RBI, Docker push. So the answer will be Docker RMI, that is mentioned in option number B. So for question number 2, option B will be the correct answer. Question number 3 is Docker Hub is a registry used to host various Docker images. Is this statement true or false? We just have to answer. So this statement given is true. For question number 3, option A will be the correct answer. Question number 4 is dash enables different networks spreads in a huge geographical area to connect together and be employed simultaneously by multiple users on demand. Options are serverless, IoT cloud, sensor cloud, green cloud. So for this the answer will be option number C, that is sensor cloud. Okay. Question number 5 is virtual machines get virtual access to host resources through a dash. Options are containers, hypervisor, both A and B, and images. For question number 5, the answer will be hypervisor. Okay, virtual machines get virtual access to host resources through a hypervisor. Question number 6 is vehicles providing their networking and data processing capabilities to other vehicles through the cloud comes under which services of IoT based vehicular data clouds? Options are SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, none of these. So the answer will be IaaS. Okay, option number C. For question number 6, option C will be the correct answer. Question number 7 is again true and false. So the statement given is sensor data can be easily shared by different groups of users without any extra effort or measure. So this statement is given is false. Question number 8 is container is a compile time instance of an image. So the options are true or false. So given statement is again false. For question number 8, option B, that is false, will be the correct answer. Question number 9 is in the context of green cloud computing, the power usage effectiveness is defined as power delivered by overall power, overall power by power delivered, overall power into power delivered, or none of these. So the appropriate answer will be overall power divided by power delivered, that is option number B. For question number 9, option B will be the correct answer. So students, if you haven't liked the video, please like the video and share it with needy ones. Okay, so question number 10 is two statements are given here. We have to choose which one is correct or which one is false. So given statement 1 is sensor cloud proxy exposes sensor resources as cloud services, and statement 2 is sensor network is still managed from the sensor cloud interface via sensor network proxy. So both statements are here true. So option C will be the correct answer. So we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video with needy ones. Thank you.